Jā. Tā ir man kafija, tas esmu es, un viņš. Tu kādu sievieti piečakarējās, tas ir vienkārši. Kāds vietas, karoči. I just need to prove where I have been. Yeah. So I said I will go for sure. Who knows?
Hello ladies and gentlemen. So having a good day so far? Yep, so this is what I'm going to just tell you information about the building. This is one of your lifts. So we're going to go head up to level 33, that's halfway in the building. So it's high as London there, and you're going to get next lift to level 68. And then after that, your viewing gallery starts. So the door's going to open on that side. And my colleague in the admin is going to tell you more information about the building and where you're headed to. So I hope you enjoy yourself.
Okay, so welcome ladies and gentlemen, this is now your second lift. We're going to head up to level 68, again at the speed of 6 meters per second, so roughly 13.5 miles per hour. There'll be a flight of stairs in between which will take you to your first viewing gallery on level 69. There are some telescopes there, so make use of them, they are free. They'll just give you a bit of information about the buildings surrounding the area. And then you've got level 72, and that's open to the elements. It's a bit windy out there, so if you've got loose garments, please hang on to them. The doors will open on the opposite side.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mēs beidzot esam klāt. Redz, ka tur ir Londonas acis. Knapi var redzēt. Tur. Nice. Londoniņa no augšas. Dzelzceļiņš. Mājiņas. Tālāk vēl debesskrāpīši. Pie tiem ir būs un tie tādi mazi izskatās. Rietuma Eiropas augstākā celtne. Taradā. Es man tur fočē. Jā. Un tas ir pats augšiņš tur. Tur mēs nelaiž. Mēs jau tur prasījāmies, mūs nelaida. Vatā. Foriņš ir foriņš, ir. Ir foriņš, ir. Te ir tāda feature, ka te var pārpūst pāri telefonu, izraut no rokām. Varbūt mani var pārmest. Mazs ieskrējiens. Ieskrējamies. Es skatos starp pirkstiem, jo man ir bail. Pārpēc, ka viņam cilvēkiem nav bail. Man ir bail. Tev nav bail. Man ir bail. That's bad.